I'm going to show a very simple way to do a ruffle on a border. It's just a ruffle stitch that I'm pretty sure I have a video sharing several years ago. So it's very simple. So what I'm going to do, so let's pretend that this is a finished blanket. I'm going to start a border, okay? I would go on the side of the rows and I would do a single crochet row all the way around the project before I start my ruffle. Okay, but I'm just showing how to do the ruffle. So I have done my last row and I've chain one and turn my work. So this is a single crochet, and you can do this with any crochet, double crochet, whatever. So basically what you do between each stitch is you chain one. And so then when you come back around again, you will go into each extra stitch that you have created, and that will create a ruffling effect. Now keep in mind that you want to make sure that you don't, I didn't add a stitch, when you add that chain between each stitch, kind of do it not too tight, because you are going to have to go into that extra stitch each time. And let's say you want a small ruffle, then the second time you go through and you go through each extra stitch, extra chain that you've added between each stitch, will create a small ruffle. And then if you do the same thing, so let's say the next time you go through here and you're going to do a second row for a bigger ruffle, between each stitch on your second row, to include the extra chain that you're going through from this row, you're going to add a chain between each stitch. And that is how an easy way to create a ruffle stitch. Very, very simple. Just do your stitch and add a chain between each stitch. Now let's say that you want to have your ruffles kind of spread out, not closely kinked up. Then let's say after you do your second row, you would add a stitch between every other stitch. You just use variant ways to use this ruffle, but that is a very easy way to do a ruffle. It's just that simple. Add a stitch between each one. That's it. It's that simple. Let me know if you use this tutorial anywhere, and please comment and like. It helps me get more visibility. And I do giveaways. CLUEWORD is giveaways. I do giveaways on each month, and for each clue word that you comment, that you hear in a video or you see in a chat box of a video, is an extra entry. And you get an additional extra entry if you comment that clue word and then comment a separate clue word, or a separate just regular comment, because all comments are held for review until the day of the giveaway. So there's no comments on videos because there's clue words comments being held for review. So it kind of hurts my algorithm a little bit, because it looks like nobody's interacting, because the comments don't count until I approve them, so to speak. So if you want the second extra entry for the giveaway, comment or separate comment on the video. Anywho, so I do PayPal and virtual gift cards, and I do Robux and other things that I give away. If you're interested, comment the clue. Oh, and you have to be subscribed. Bye!